Hi, it's TR back with another truck camper renovation video, and today I'm finally getting to it. I've been putting this off as long as I can, but I got to get her opened up, and that's the rear here. So I've saved this for the last. I got to get this taken apart so I can see what kind of damage there is in the back here and get planning on how to repair that. I'm far enough ahead on the roof, you saw that in the last video, that I can now take this apart and start to look and see what's damaged and get into it and take it out. And so first things first, we got to drop this bumper. Alrighty, let's just keep chunking here. There's a tough patch here. Break it? I did. Well, it's off, even if I did break it. Okay, coated with paint. Coated with paint. Alright, I'm gonna have to get the paint off those. Alright, get the paint off these. I'm gonna get that one. Alright, I gotta get the paint off of these somehow. Well, let's see if we can get these heads cleaned off enough to get on them. Not much left of that screw. That's what's left of that 3/8 lag screw. Side bolt out. Move you over here. You can see. Well, here goes nothing. One bumper removed. Wasn't that fun? that. Totally rotten. Yeah, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. Sorry about the noise. Okay, so it's just way too hot to be working back there in that sun like that. I've got some other stuff I can do here until the sun gets up over the top of my shade cloth. So if you like what you saw, give me that thumbs up. I always appreciate that. If you'd like to support the channel in another way, you can do so by visiting Amazon through the link in the description in this video. That'll take you to my Amazon store. Then you can depart from there, go buy anything you want on Amazon. I'll get a small commission. You'll pay the same price. So it's a new day, and I am going to go ahead and finish this up. I'm trying to get an early start this morning. It's just a little after 7 right now. Expecting thunderstorms today, so I want to get as much done as I can. And then I've got to get my tarp ready to go back on it in case we do get a thunderstorm. I've got a lot of rot in this corner, and so I'm going to go ahead and get these panels off. And since I'm reusing these panels, I've been numbering them, and so I'm just using a lead pencil. This will wipe right off, and I'm just going to go through. I'm going to number these panels to the top, indicate which side they're on, left or right, and that way when I take them off, they'll go in the panel pile over here, and I'll be able to hopefully put them back on the same way they came off. So I've just been starting at the bottom here, and I'll just type write a 1. Find the seam. That's a big long one here. 2. This is left. Left. 3 left. All right, this corner's pretty bad. Look at this board. This wall is totally rotten. So let's just dig into this some more, huh? Actually, what I'm going to do is just get real aggressive here, because I know I'm going to have to redo all this anyway. Get this outside shower removed. Whoever installed this did a real shitty job. The only saving grace I think is going to be, it looks like the bathroom is a fiberglass duty. This whole back wall is rotten to the core. There's the camera. So you can see the details here, this back corner and how it was built. All 1x4s. It's pretty bad. But what I don't know is how bad it is down in here. It's not looking real good. But not unexpected, not surprising. Well, I got to think that we got thunderstorm rolling in here. I'll keep working for a little while. So I'm going to end this one here. I like to give folks a sneak preview of a future episode. So you'll want to be sure and subscribe, ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss any episodes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate those. If you'd like to support the channel in another way, I have several affiliate links in the description of this video for Amazon, RecPro, Renogy. Discount codes and links in the video description will save you money. And as an affiliate, I get a small commission, but you pay the same price. So that'll have to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I sure do appreciate it. We'll see you next time with another truck camper renovation video. Until then, peace.